up guys, Nick from SOHO Motorsports. I've got Andrew's 2013 Infiniti G37. He brought it into us to basically get our stage 2.5 single turbo kit. Now you may ask, okay, what's the difference between the stage 2 and the stage 2.5? What we've done is we've actually changed the hot side housing to a T4 housing and still kept the same cold side turbo to allow the client to make more top end power. So this car came in, it was pretty much full bolt on. Andrew wanted to get a little bit more power. The nice thing about this car is it's actually a unicorn. It's a G37 Sedan and it's a manual. So it's very rare that you find some of these cars out in the wild, and very rare we actually get to boost one of these. So this was a fun little project. The stage 2.5, like I said, is very similar to stage 2, just a different hot side housing and a different downpipe that we have made. We'll be offering it to a lot of our clients here in the future. I believe we have 2 or 3 more cars that will be doing it to kind of provide more data in regards to different platforms. We've got a 370Z, we've got a G37 that is not a sedan that's going to be getting the same kit as well. So this car made great power. So the car itself with the stage 2.5 single turbo kit, we tuned it on EcuTech, also went flex fuel. And to give you an idea on numbers, this car on 9 pounds on pump gas put down 525, and then from there it ranged up to about 588 on 13 pounds of boost. Once we got done with the pump, we basically did the E85. There was still a little bit of pump left in the tank. Once we put some E85 in it, the content was around E60. And so when we put the E60 in there, the numbers that we got at 9 pounds was 572. And then we also cranked up the boost on the E just because we're able to do so with that fuel itself. And on 15 pounds, it put down 663. And so you'll see the graph pop up and you'll see how nice of a power band this vehicle does have. Very smooth, mainly top end. We kept the torque low because it is still the stock motor. I'll go over also the actual engine bay so you can see what else is done to the engine bay. Besides the stage 2.5 single turbo kit, we also did our catch can setup. And basically kept it very simple. He had the Motordyne exhaust on the car. We retrofitted our single exit downpipe to catback adapter to fit on the Motordyne, and the car came out very, very great. Sounds great, performs great, drives nice. It is on the Race Round 4 patch, so it's a very fun car, and I believe Andrew will be very happy with this car.